Hi, I'm starting a new project. As I told you before, I'm switching from ships to aircrafts for a while, but not entirely. The FA-18 Hornet is a twin-engine, supersonic, all-weather, carrier-capable, multi-role combat jet designed as both a fighter and an attack aircraft. Designed by McDonnell Douglas and Northrop, the FA-18 was derived from the latter's F-17 in the 1970s for use by the United States Navy and Marine Corps. The aircraft is produced in several versions. The first were version A as a fighter and B training version. In 1987, the F-18C version was created, adapted to the use of AMRAAM missiles. A year later, the version entered the service as a two-seated version, capable of operating in all weather conditions. The latest versions, so-called Super Hornet, E and F, are very modified versions of the D version. Hornets took part in the operation against Libya in 1986 and in the Operation Desert Storm in 1991. Some technical data: length 56 feet, wingspan 40 feet, maximum speed 1190 miles per hour, maximum range 2100 miles, armament 1 20mm M6A1 Vulcan nose mounted 6-barrel rotary cannon, 9 total, 2 wingtips missile launch rail, 4 underwing and 3 under fuselage with a capacity of 13,700 pounds, could carry combinations of air-to-air missiles, air-to-surface, anti-ship, guided bombs, unguided rockets, conventional bombs, sea mines and nuclear bombs. The FA-18C and D models are the result of a block upgrade in 1987, incorporating upgraded radar, avionics and the capacity to carry new missiles such as the AIM-120 AMRAAM air-to-air missile and AGM-65 Maverick and AGM-84 Harpoon air-to-surface missiles. The great advantage of the Hornets is their easy and quick, simple ground service and the ability to carry a variety of weapons, which gives the commander more options on a rapidly changing battlefield. The model I have presents a Hornet from 2004. It's the US Navy Strike Fighter Squadron A-82, known as the Marauders. In 2004, the squadron was embarked on the USS Enterprise aircraft carrier during Operation Iraqi Freedom. Let's move to the model. FA-18 in C version in 1:72 scale, made by Academy, painted as the 82 Marauders Squadron. A nice looking box, there is a paint index at the side. I personally decided to try Mr. Color Paint. The manufacturer also indicates that on a 5-point difficulty scale this model has 4, so it's quite demanding. Inside you'll find a canopy. You can see that there is a line going through the center, which I will have to get rid of during assembly. Four moldings with plastic parts made in detail. As you can see, there are nice small details on the wings or the fuselage. Instructions with painting scheme and map for applying decals. We also find a few standard leaflets about the safety and the tools to use. And decals, nicely made by the Italian company Cartograph, depicting the characteristic painting of the 72 Marauders fighter squadron. As I mentioned, I'm gonna use Mr. Hobby paints and Mr. Finishing Surfacer 1500. I plan to use Mr. Leveling Thinner with these paints. As for the costs of such a set, the model itself costs about $25 US, and for the primer and paints I paid about $60 in total. Assembling the aircraft will be something completely new to me. I'm not a specialist when it comes to aviation, but honestly I can't wait to start its construction. In addition, I'm also setting the bar higher because I will try to paint with an airbrush. This will be the first model I'm gonna make using an airbrush. airbrush, so it will be definitely interesting. Finishing this short episode, I invite you to subscribe my channel. I'm waiting for tips and comments during the construction. Hope to see you soon. Best regards. Bye.